Hi guys, it's Hayley. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a unboxing for you, and it is going to be the August edition of the Look Fantastic beauty box. Now obviously we're going to have a few more unboxings now because we are going into August, and all my subscription boxes will be arriving at my front door. So I'm going to unbox them all for you and show you all the contents that I get in all of them throughout the month. So firstly, we're going to look at Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic is a beauty subscription box. It has 4 ways in which you can pay for your subscription. You can pay month by month, which means that you can cancel at any time. You can skip months, you can choose the months you want to have the boxes, you can buy one-off boxes. It's completely up to you if you have the month by month subscription. They also do a 3-month subscription, which is £14.50. They have a 6-month subscription, which is £13.75, and they have the 12-month subscription, which is £13. So this month they do have 2 variants to this box. So all the contents that I get, you may not receive all of them, because obviously you may get the other variant of the box, but it's still nice to see what sort of treats you get inside of them. So Look Fantastic is great in the way that they are able to ship worldwide. If you go onto their website and go to the shipping part of the website, they are able to, you can pop your country into the bar, and they will tell you how much your postage is going to cost and how long it's going to take for it to get there. Look Fantastic aim to provide 6 beauty products in each box they do, and also they have a value of over £55 this month. So for the £15 that I've paid for it, to get products that are equating to over £55 is absolutely phenomenal. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So if we take this lid off, let's have a little look at what's inside of this. So inside, oh, we've got the edit. So this is back. So this is a little book in here that provides us with information on the products that's inside the box. So also on this we get a sneak peek of our September box, which is an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So this will always give you a sneak peek of what's in the following box, so that's really exciting. I do like Elemis, but I haven't had it for a good while, so it'll be nice to try that. So can't wait for the September box for that one. So if we just have a look inside of here, we are just going to take this off. I can never do this so it doesn't rip the paper. If we just pop this open. Surely it shouldn't be this hard to open this box. There we go. So this are the contents inside. Okay. So I haven't even seen inside here yet. So, first item. So we are looking at the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash. This is a gentle golden micellar cleanser. So this is the Mio body wash, just there. So if we have a little look in our little booklet here, we should be able to find this product and give you a little bit more detail about it. So this is the Sun Drenched Body Wash, 30 mils. So we have got, yep, 30 mils there, with a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with the Mio Body Wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. It says, lather into your skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. So that's lovely. So that is the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash. So next we have the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion in Sea Kissed, which is this product here. Okay, now we have this in 40 mils. So if you just have a refer to the booklet and see what it says about it. So it's Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, Sea Kissed Mineral Body Lotion in 40 mils. It's worth £8. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalised, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Apply generously to slightly damp skin after a bath or a shower. So that is that. It looks like you get either you get 2 variations, so you must get one of them maybe in the other variant of the box. I'm not 100% sure on that, but the 2 products are there, so that's a possibility. So that is the next product. Then we have this product, which is the Percy and Reed London Hair Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. Now, I've tried a few Percy and Reed products. I've tried the hairspray, I've tried a mousse, and I've also tried a dry shampoo from them. Now, they are a really, really nice product, but I've never tried this, so I'm quite excited to give this a go. I believe it's like a leave-in balm. Let's just have a little look what it says. This miracle leave-in balm preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. It makes your regular styling products work wonders, giving you more control and better results that last longer. Plus, it protects from frizz and humidity for up to 72 hours. Just imagine 3 days frizz-free perfect. So you apply it to towel dried hair, working from the roots to the ends to prep your hair for styling. So it looks like it's got an element of heat protection in there as well. So that's really, really nice. So let's have a look what it says in here. So this says the Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm, 30 mils, which, yeah, we have 30 mils, is worth £8. It says a miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your do. This Percy and Reed balm makes hair more manageable, as well as adding moisture and shine and definition. It says how to use is work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. So I'm excited to try that. I do like getting these mini little products in the subscription boxes for hair, because I do have quite long hair and a lot of products just don't seem to work with me. So I do like to try it first, but there are a few products that I've had in subscription boxes that I've really enjoyed, and I've gone on to purchase the larger sizes. So that one is lovely to have, and I'll definitely be giving that a go. So next we have the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go, and that's this one here. I've had a couple of these in subscription boxes, so I definitely have had this before. So it comes in this little tube, and it's Eyeko London. I'll just show you the wand. So the wand is really quite small, and it's quite curved. So you can really get a nice curl on that lash. I've said this before in a lot of my videos, I have really, really straight lashes. So it takes a lot for my lashes to curl. So I do always need a good one to be able to get some definition into my lashes. Otherwise my eyelashes, when I have strip lashes on, they just don't sit properly. So a nice curly wand is perfect for me. Now, like I said, I have got a few of these. I have had a few in subscription boxes previously, but always happy to have another mascara. So yeah, that is in there. Let's have a little look at what it says in the booklet. So it says Eyeko Black Magic Lash Alert Mascara is 4 mils and would cost £10. Get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Eyeko mascara, with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Now that is one thing I can vouch for. It does stay put, so there's no shedding underneath the eye. It doesn't transfer. It does do what it says. So it says how to use. Starting from the root of your lash, brush upwards while slightly move the brush from side to side. Don't forget the tops of your lashes for the added drama. So yeah, that's a lovely addition in this box. So next we have the Bellapierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto. So if we just have a little look at this one. So it's got like a little sifter at the top here, and then it's got a little stop there. If I may not be able to get this. Oh, I've got it. Oh, that was sticky, that was tough to get off. So what I normally do with these is just get the top on a little bit, give it a shake. So this is the powder inside. Okay, let's just have a little look at this colour. It's quite a subtle colour actually. I thought it was going to be a little bit, so it's quite a subtle colour, quite peachy. And I'd be interested to see how that sits on the skin. It does come off a little bit chalky, but obviously it does look quite chalky in the pan. But it'll be interesting because it's a loose powder. That will be how it looks, but it'll be interesting to see how that transfers onto the skin. But that looks like a really nice everyday colour. If you just want to flush a colour on your cheeks, so if you're doing a really natural makeup look, it's always nice just to have a more neutral coloured blush, so you don't look like you're completely made up. You've just got a little bit of flusher colour there. So I have tried Bellapierre products before. Again, I've received a few in makeup and beauty subscription boxes previously. So always nice to have a little try of this. Let's have a little look what it says in here. So Bellapierre Cosmetic Mineral Blush in Amaretto. Now this is worth £15. It's a creamy, non-comedogenic and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of colour to your face whilst looking completely natural. Like I said, it's a nice natural colour. I would use it in a natural face look. I probably wouldn't use it with a, you know, a really, really glam going out look. But when you're doing a really nice neutral eye, or even if you've got a really outstanding eye look or a nice lip colour, then you might want to put a little bit of this on just to give a little bit of flusher colour. So how to use: tap a small amount of product into the lid, swirl the blush brush into the product, tapping off any excess, and apply to your cheeks and tip of the nose for a rosy glow. So I always do that. I've done that today. I've got my blusher on my cheeks, I pop a little bit on my nose, and I always pop a little bit on my forehead as well, just the places where naturally the light would hit and you would get a little bit of colour from the sun. So yeah, that is the Bellapierre blusher in Amaretto. So next we have a Caudalie vinoperfect serum, which is this one here. Now I'm a fan of Caudalie. I use the Caudalie SPF in my daily routine, in my everyday skin routine. This is a radiance serum and is complexion correcting. So it'll be interesting to see if this has got any pigment to it actually there. No, it hasn't. It's just a normal. I wondered with it saying pigment correcting whether it had a bit of colour to it. But no, it is just a really liquidy serum, which is fine. I love this sort of serum, and in my skin routine it does change quite a bit with what I will use serum wise, because I get so many different serums in my beauty boxes and I like to use them. I like to try new things out, and my skin can take the changes, so I do like to try different serums out to see which one works best. And with knowing Caudalie is a good brand anyway, then I'm definitely excited to try this. So let's have a little look at what this says. This is in 10ml. And it says the vinoperfect Radiance Serum in 10ml is worth £15.33. A worldwide cult favourite, and for good reason. This Caudalie facial serum is packed full of viniferin, patented it by Caudalie themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. And it is significantly proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. How to apply: before bed onto clean skin, massaging into the face and the neck. So this is a night serum then, so that's good, because I've got a lot of day serums, so I don't really have many night serums, so that's absolutely brilliant. And 62 times more powerful than vitamin C. I use the vitamin C range from Boots and I absolutely love it, and I use it every single day, so I am a big fan of vitamin C, so it'll be good to see how this works on my skin. So that is the Caudalie vinoperfect serum complexion correction. So that's that one. So I think, yeah, so they are all the products. So if we just have a little look at what we got, and I'll just collect them all up for you to have a look at. So these are the products we have today to show you. We have the 2 body lotions, we have the eye mascara, the Caudalie serum, the Bellapierre Blush and the hair balm. So that's been my Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing for you for August. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really, really does help me out. And subscribe to my channel. I am starting to grow my little YouTube family, which is absolutely beautiful, and it is really, really my dream coming true. So please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you are made aware of any future uploads from me. And until I see you next time, you take care. Mwah.